This is the snail knot. I normally use this knot when I am using a circle hook. And when I'm using a circle hook, I like it going down. I don't think it really matters, but so you're gonna put it going down, and then you have your tag in, right? You're going to hold this line here and create a loop, kind of like that, and then you're gonna get this tag in and wrap it around your hook and that line until you're basically satisfied with how far you've gone down. You might need to pull some line out like that, so shorten up your loop. I'm just gonna do that probably 5 times right here, just for y'all. One more, okay. And then you pull it tight. That, cut the tag in off real short, and there you go. You've got your snail knot.